In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add separate cover page in Microsoft Word. Creating a professional document often starts with a clean and well-designed cover page. However, many people struggle when the cover page affects the headers, footers, or page numbers of the rest of the document. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the correct way to insert a cover page that stands completely on its own without disrupting your formatting. Begin by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Once it's open, move your cursor to the very top of the document before any existing text. Positioning your cursor at the beginning ensures that the cover page will be inserted as the first page of your file, keeping everything properly organized. Next, go to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. In the Pages section, select Cover Page. A gallery of built-in designs will appear on your screen. Take a moment to choose a layout that matches the style and purpose of your document. As soon as you click on a design, Word will automatically place it at the beginning of your document. You can then click on the text placeholders to edit the title, subtitle, author, date, or any other details. Simply replace the sample text with your own information to personalize the cover. To ensure the cover page does not share formatting with the rest of the document, you need to create a separate section. Scroll down to the bottom of the cover page and place your cursor at the end. Go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and choose Next Page under the Section Breaks category. This action creates a new section starting on the following page, effectively separating the cover from the main content. Now, double-click inside the header or footer area on the second page. In the Header and Footer tab, find the option labeled Link to Previous and click it to deactivate it. This step disconnects the new section from the cover page section. Once unlinked, you can remove or modify headers, footers, or page numbers on the cover page without affecting the rest of the document. If you prefer not to display a page number on the cover page but want numbering to begin on the second page, go to Insert, select Page Number, choose your desired position, then click Format Page Numbers and set it to start at 1. Make sure the cover page itself does not contain a page number. Finally, scroll through your document to confirm that the cover page and the main content are properly separated with independent formatting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.